are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Hello my YouTubers, welcome back to Julie Jules World. I'm excited today for this new project I'm bringing to you guys. It is a DIY tea or coffee station. Right now I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what you will need. I'm not going to show you everything that you need right now because there's too many things that are going to be going into this project, so I'll give you chunks of it at a time. What you will need is Dollar Tree shelves. They have the small shelves, and so you're going to need 3 orders of these. You're going to also need 4 of these. I went ahead and paint these. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I use for paint. If you want this color as well as the texture that I did on there, I'll show you how to do that. You're also going to need Dollar Tree wooden rulers. I already used one out of here, but I'm going to show you how I used it. And this is how the other one looks right now because that's pre-prepping everything already. You're going to need a Dollar Tree basket as well as wooden letters from Walmart. And there's going to be more things I added to this, guys. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing. Before I even paint this, guys, I went ahead and used this caulk inside of the hole and I filled the holes up with this. Purchased this from Dollar Tree as well. Once you have all your shelves painted, let me go ahead and show you how you do this style here. This is dry now because we're going to just go ahead and layer this style and this look to it. Need some white paint, and then you're going to need a sponge with a rough end. Okay, what we're going to do is take our white paint and just dab some on there, and then we're just going to just take it and go like that, guys. And then you get that look. Next step is going to be putting all this together. We're going to glue it all together. It's going to be my back because it's going to be glued together like this on each other. And then I'm going to be combining it together like that. So let's go ahead and glue that in place. Once you finish gluing both board together, this is how it should look right now. And we're going to be connecting these two together like this. All right, I finished putting it together, and at the back of it I put some wooden sticks at the back here, guys, just to keep it sturdy. So, and I'm going to paint this afterwards. Let's go to the next step. So we're going to get your 2 small shelves, and we're going to be gluing these 2 together, and then we get to the next step. Finished gluing these 2 together, and I go ahead and put some more sticks at the back there. I'm going to be putting this like that. So once you finish doing it, it's still a little, it's not as sturdy, so I'm going to put some tape at the bottom. It's not as strong, guys, but we're going to be using Dollar Tree paper roll. It's going to be sitting on it. It'll help it to sit a little better. Put that in there, and that'll help it to get sturdy. We're gonna glue this on here to give it some support, and then it can sit a little better. Guys, I just glue it. I know it looked like a mess back here, and so we try to clean it up afterwards. But once again, you're not gonna see the back of there. But what I've been doing, I put some glue on there, guys, and then put some tape over. Make sure the glue is nice and hot when you put the tape over. That way, it can even keep it even more locked in there. and it's helping it to stay sturdy. I tape all this up. This is what we have to do to be able to get that sturdiness. Once you're finished with that, we're gonna go ahead and put these two pieces onto here. I believe it's gonna make it more sturdy too. Let's go ahead and glue this on, and then we do the same thing for the other side as well. Guys, this made it more sturdier, so it's way more better. I feel like it needs a piece more wood right here, so I think I will add another wood right here. I don't know if you guys can see this part here. See how there's a little space there? I like to fill that space in. You probably don't need to, but it's just me. Let's go ahead and put some more sticks at the bottom here to kind of balance it out. We'll put one right here, put one right here, and one right here. I feel like that's gonna give it a nice, and then we put one more here in front here. Go ahead and do that. Put extra sticks at the bottom, and what I did was double it up. I put two of them instead of one, and it kind of balanced it out, because with the towel holder it kind of gave it a little lump, and I like that at all. It was kind of unstable, so now it's a little bit more stabilized. The next step is we are going to needing another one of the smaller shelves. We're going to be cutting this down in half, and then when you cut in half, this is what you're going to get. Two strips. Glue them together. I'm going to put it on top of here, and then we'll get to the next step after that. Now you should have both of these glued together, and we're going to be putting this at the top here. And glue that down, and then we can get to the next step. It's beautiful so far, guys. I love it. We're going to get our wooden ruler. I already used this one. This was the one that was in here. This I got from Dollar Tree. I peeled this piece off here. I took that off. I took this one off as well. What I want to do is cut this down a little bit, and then it's going to sit right here. To cut it, you have to cut it to the length, okay? Make sure you mark it. So I'm gonna cut right there, and then I'm gonna paint this color. Two ready, so we're gonna be adding these to our station. One of them is gonna go to the bottom here, guys, and the other one's gonna go up here. So let's go ahead and put that in there, and then we get to the next step. Next step is we're going to be getting our Dollar Tree basket, and we're going to be putting it inside of here. You can staple this down, or you can screw it in. Your choice, whatever option you're going to use, but I'm going to staple mine in, and I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and then we get to the next step. Okay, I put the basket in there. Advice, okay? Before you even put these on, add this or this to it, guys. Put on your basket first. That's a very vital tip, because it was kind of a struggle for me to staple in there if you are using a staple gun, or even if you're gonna put screws or anything. It's just easier to do it without this being on top of there. Just do this afterwards. Put your basket in first, and then put these on afterwards. It's just so much easier. I'm gonna put the word up here, tea time. Or you guys, if you guys are using this specifically for coffee, you can put the word coffee up here. It's your choice, or you don't have to put no words at all. And I'm going to use these wooden letters right here. This is the color. I did silver and black, and then I add some white tips at the end. I did went and paint the back of this, and it looks kind of crappy, but it looks a little better than the way it was before. And I think I'm going to put a scrapbook and paper and cover that too, but it doesn't matter, because you're not going to be seeing the back at all, but you still want it to look pretty. I mean, I can see it. I know it's there, so I'm always trying to clean things up. That's what I'll do. I just put some scrapbook and paper back there, but once again, it looks beautiful. I love it, and I'm going to go ahead and decorate this. That's it for a tutorial. Okay, guys, I have to hold the camera in order for you to see the whole picture of it, because position I had it in, you couldn't see the whole thing, but it's now finished. I put the tea time up here in the back, just the tip of the tea bottom, and I glue it on there. And then also put some hooks on there, and I purchased those from Walmart. And it's coat hooks. I purchased that from Walmart, and I put 2 of them right there. Put another 2 over here on this side. This is tea and this is hot cocoa. And I put a plant back there just to beautify it. And then I add this sign to it, print this online. And then I put some pumpkin in there just to decorate it up a little bit. Marshmallows in there, and then some stir sticks back there. And then mint spoon back there, little mug back there. And yeah, guys, that's the way it came out. And I just love. You hear me? I'm in love with this. And this is beautiful, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the mugs on there. So let me go ahead and put the mugs on there, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. All right, look at the results, guys. I am so happy with this. Look how beautiful that is. OMG, y'all. Guys, I love this. This is gorgeous. I hope you enjoy this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put some lights underneath there. I'm just so silly, guys. I'm loving this. This is gorgeous. I put some Dollar Tree lights underneath there. I put 2 of them. So if you want to do that, guys, go right ahead. It's beautiful. I love the way it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And you will definitely see me in my next video.